Measuring the length of a curved line. Objective: to learn how to measure the length of a curved line. We know how to measure the length of a straight line with the help of a scale. But not all the things around us are straight. In this video, let us learn to measure the length of a curved line. It is similar to what we do for a straight line, except that we will have to take multiple readings with the scale. Suppose you want to measure the length of the shown curve. Identify few points on the curve. Find the distance between all pairs of adjacent points and note them down. If you add all the lengths, you would get the length of the curve approximately. If more and more numbers of points are taken on the curve, the approximation gets better and better. Think about why taking multiple points on the curve improves the approximation. We can also use a string to measure the length of a curve. Put a knot on the thread near one of its ends. Place this knot on the point A. Now, place a small portion of the thread along the line, keeping it taut using your fingers and thumb. Hold the thread at this end point with one hand. Using the other hand, stretch a little more portion of the thread along the curved line. Repeat this process till the other end B of the curved line is reached. Make a mark on the thread where it touches the end B. Now stretch the thread along a meter scale. Measure the length between the knot in the beginning and the final mark on the thread. This gives the length of the curved line AB.